Hello, this is Azhar. I'm going to talk about the ebook publisher called Kobo Writing Life. Kobo Writing Life. So you have to search it, Kobo Writing Life, with this spelling. The first link which will open with this link, you have to click over here. When you will click, this page will open. Now when this page will open, if you are not a member, you have to fill the form, and if you are not a member, then you have to fill the form, and the form is very easy. It just requires your name, last name, your email address, password. Then they will send you a verification link to your email address. You verify it, and after that, once you verify that, you will come here and then you will log in. You will click here, sign in, if you already have an account. After sign in, you will come here. In here you have to upload your ebook. There are 4 steps. In 4 steps you can upload your book. First mandatory things are ebook title. After that, it is optional, ebook subtitle. If it is a series name, author name, publisher name. Then, is this the first time you're publishing your book? You will say yes. If you have already sent it through other publishers to Kobo, you will say no, because same book comes from different publishers. Okay boss, then here you have to select the categories. For that you have to click the edit categories. List comes in, and you have to select whatever is relevant to you. I have selected career, home-based business and small business. This is what I think is the most relevant to the ebooks business or selling ebooks. Is this content part of the public domain? No. Have you copy pasted for public domain? No. What is already available. Then you have to write a long description or short, it's up to you, but it will be used by the readers to understand your book. It's like a summary, so it should be attractive, informative. Now let's come to the normal view of this page. Here you have to upload the image. You just have to click here. It will take you to the pages where you have to select your cover and you have to upload it. Then after completing step 1, you will come to step 2, add ebook content. Now I tried, but there was error because there's automatic check automation which checks everything. So error comes. They said you have 3 errors. Okay, fix it and then upload it. It's not like every book it's like they will accept it. If there are errors, they will tell you, and you have to upload another book. Okay boss, you have uploaded it. Now I have another version of the same book with the different formatting, the different software I have used. So I uploaded. Now I am waiting for the validation. They are checking it whether it is suitable for it or not. So you are waiting. You can use any ebook conversion software which will help you to convert your document, DOC or MS Word, into EPUB format, and that format will be accepted by many publishers or retailers like Kobo, Apple, also Amazon. So this has been uploaded. There's no issue, right? Good job, no issue. Your book is ready to be published. Great. Let's head over to the rights and distribution. Apply digital rights management. It means no one can copy your work. Maximize your sales. They offer a Kobo Plus subscription. It's like a Kindle Unlimited. They will pay you when the customer read your book pages by page. Then you have Overdrive. They have libraries, the connection with the libraries, and one of the library name is Overdrive. So mostly they recommend that your price, library price, should be greater than the retail price. So we are going to write higher price, $9.99. Then save and continue. Here you write your price. I mostly write minimum, so I get 2. Like they are giving us a more amount. From 2.99 you are getting 2.09. In Australian dollar they are converting in every country dollar conversion and applying 70%. Okay, so 7, continue. Publish June 21. Publish ebook. See, it's so simple. Kobo is very simple and it's very easy to publish, and I have already 70 books over here. So it's very easy to publish ebooks with Kobo.